Wow, he ended 0-0, goalless. See, I've even lost my voice, I was shouting. Alright, Kotoko, House of Oak, 0-0. I think Kotoko should have won this game. I don't care. I don't want to hear what any of you have to say. That game, we should have won that game. We should have scored more than 1 goal. We should have scored more than 2 goals. We should have scored more than 3 goals. I think the last minute of the game, the dying moment of the game, we had 3 good big chances to score in the last 5 minutes, but we couldn't. First one was Mudasiru. First one was Kwame Boko. Second one was Mudasiru. And the last one was Fabio Gama. We could have won this game. We should have won this game. It was for the taking. House of Oak were wasting time because they know they couldn't match up to our quality. First half, they were wasting time. At the end of the game, after we had our chances, they started wasting time again. So I think we should have won this particular game. The first half was disastrous. The first half was very bad, very, very bad. After Kwame Poku missed that penalty, our morale went down immediately. We couldn't play anything. It was the second half we put a much better competition because first half was nothing to write home about. We played very bad in the first half after that penalty miss. And Razak Abalora caused the penalty and he saved it. Kudos to him. He did very well and saved that penalty to save us a point in this game. I think Razak Abalora, the penalty save, was the person that gave us a point in this game because our attackers today, they were underwhelming. They didn't perform well today. Kwame Poku hit the bar, second half, he couldn't score that goal. Naby Keita, I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about Naby Keita because if I talk about Naby Keita, this video will last for 7 minutes again. No, I don't want to talk about Naby. I think this performance will tell you that we need players. This is the kind of performance that will tell you that we need players. I know that Kotoko won't reason to sign players or to get reinforcement until we suffer a humiliating defeat. But I think this game is something to tell you that we clearly need players, and the players we have won't win us the Ghana Premier League. These players won't win us the Ghana Premier League. We need to sign more players, and we also need a very good tactical coach because today, I don't think we can win the Premier League with this kind of performance. I'm being honest. I don't think we can win the Ghana Premier League with this kind of performance. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Most of you might think different. Most of you might have different thoughts because I think we didn't play well today. We could have won this game. This was 2 points dropped. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.